Indiana, Michigan, Florida.
That's crazy.
And they've been.
I wonder what's going on with them. They decided
The water park is so busy that they've got no way. So
they just come over here.
it's a lot different. Like one lady came in and was like, "Hey, water park's busy. Do you mind if we park here?" I was like, "No."
Yeah.
And we've had that for a couple of weeks. Like, do you mind? Do you mind? And hey, thank you, respecting me. No, find somewhere else to go.
Yeah.
We got 3 disrespects. It's just you choose who you want to piss off the most.
I'll make some runs. Whatever's the easiest to get me hooked up. Probably that little front wheel drive car.
That's what I'm thinking.
But we'll see. I don't know if that other one's all wheel drive or not. It might be front wheel. Front wheel. Where's the e-brake set? E-brake's not set. It's front wheel. Let's try for that one. All right, guys. My wife is getting her hair done, so we got one right there. Got some little chips. Got something going on right there. But we've got some illegal parkers over here. As you heard, the pool house is probably a little full. Got a little ding right there. But we got 3 people that decided they're going to park where they're not supposed to. And the liquor store is a tiny lot, as you can see, and there are signs. There are signs everywhere. We're going to get this thing hooked up and see if we can get back for the other 2 before we are noticed. Boss. You guys just got real lucky. He just called me to come tell you guys that you guys were here, so. This is the liquor store only, and there are several signs, and he will, if you're staying over there, future reference, don't park in this lot because he'll call. It doesn't matter. If you're not buying from the liquor store, he'll call every time. Yeah, that would probably make him feel better because yeah, he did call, and that's the problem with Westgate. There's no place to park over there, so everybody comes over here and takes up his. And it's I'm glad I caught you guys though. No, you don't know me anything. I'm just glad you're here. Yeah, no, I'm glad you're here. Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah, it's been a crazy parking lot. But you guys be safe and have fun, okay? To you.
Okay, where are you located? How do we get there?
We are at over here in Sevier. You'd have to get a cab ride or Uber or Lyft or something like that.
Is it far from where we are?
You're about probably 15 minutes or so.
All right, write this address down. Okay, what's the address again?
And it's Sevierville.
Sevierville?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, and like I said, as long as you're the registered owner, I can release the vehicle to you. So ID has to match the registration. And the cost-wise, it's...
Come on, you gotta pay it.
Yes, sir.
Man, get out of here. All right.
I'm out of here. I'm getting out of here, I guess. He hung up on me. Hiccups, we're about 30 minutes past that hour, but if you guys are coming this way, I can make sure somebody's here.
Yeah, we are, but it's gonna take us a minute to get there.
Okay. See, within the hour?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we'll make sure we've got somebody here.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for waiting.
Hey, you're very welcome.
Yeah, even though we just got just trampoline on, but it's fine though.
What the heck happened to you guys?
Listen, they told us to park anywhere.
I parked at the liquor store, and the sign was on the ground. I was hurried to get a presentation. I parked and ran over there. Yeah, she say park anywhere, and the resort is right here, and the store is right here. She should know that. Hey, don't park over at the store.
Don't park at the liquor store. Yeah,
They didn't tell us that.
Yeah, they called us. There was actually 3.
Oh, I know they did. Cause I was going. Yes, I was. I was
Yeah.
not happy. No.
And then the liquor store owner said, "Hey, listen." He said it gets. Of course, every summer it gets that way because the pool is overrun. There's no place to park at the pool, so then everybody will come park at the liquor store and walk at the pool.
Nowhere to park this morning.
Yeah, it completely packed over there.
Yeah.
And you would think that
Now,
they would
that's
give.
if they need to ask what they need to do. to
Oh,
make it
I'm
better,
calling corporate
they need
tomorrow,
more
don't
parking.
worry.
They need more parking.
They need more parking. Yeah.
I'm calling corporate.
You guys are
tomorrow
paying good money to stay there.
Exactly, because you wanted us to come to this tour. So, and then when I asked for a shuttle, oh, we don't do shuttle. Then, well, I'm
Yeah, we were just talking about that. The shuttle.
They don't
we were
do shuttle.
Why didn't they shuttle us over there?
They don't do
Yeah.
shuttle.
Because that would cure all the parking. That would, yeah, you park in a designated area
I
and they could
called
shuttle
for
you.
shuttle. They don't do shuttle.
They could have
so.
shuttled us right up the hill.
But it's
and
okay.
We could have left the car at the hotel.
Mhm.
You give that to corporate.
Okay. Oh, I am. Oh, you best believe I am. Yes, I am.
Damn. Come on, man. Give us a break.
I'm sorry, those are just our fees. It's miserable to go over there. Usually
I'm a small
Gatlinburg
business
calls.
owner. I know.
Yeah,
And
usually.
believe me.
Is it your rental car?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not even our car.
That's why we gotta
It's a
go
rental
get
car. Right.
Right. And I was like, I hope you don't ask us for nothing because it's in the car.
Yeah.
Everything's in the car. I got it.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Have fun.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
we-
sorry you had to see me.
Yes.
You don't. All right. You ain't having no fun if you're looking
Right.
at me.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thanks for staying.
Yeah, thanks for staying. I appreciate
You're
that.
welcome. You guys try to have a good time.
All right.
Pay to park. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are headed out. We're way out. We're way out in Jones Cove. Got to call in for need a recovery on a van. I guess it's off the driveway. Not sure how bad it is, but it sure is a long ways out here. Close. About a minute out, I guess. We'll see what we can get into. That's a big pop.
It is. In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
On the left. I wonder how steep it is on the left.
Well, I don't see anything in here.
I've been
So.
climbing forever. My ears are popping.
Oh, Lordy. Okay, so there's one driveway right there.
I can see something up here. What
Is that it? That's a van. I think it's this
there it
truck.
is.
Your destination is on the left.
I see it. Oh, you'll be able to get in front of him. Look at his pillars. Is that a hog on a motorcycle? It is. Oh my goodness. What's it loaded down with? Direct TV. And tell us that.
I think I can get in front of it. Hopefully I can get in
Should
front
be
of
able
it.
to.
We've got a cool little spot nestled back here.
Yes, they do.
Oh, let's see if I can get some stuff hooked up. Put you guys on the old trusty chest cam.
Tell me what you do. You do 1 or 2 winches.
I'll just do one winch, and if you can just get me one rope with a clevis. I don't think I'll need a cleat. Surely I won't need to dig in. It might roll relatively easy. No, that's actually probably good for the size of that van. I like to use those bigger ones on the... That was a good choice. didn't sound good. Did I not go neutral?
How much gun is?
That's a good question. Let's go find out.
He dug it out with hooked to it, and he said, "Watch this," and he flipped that little switch, and that cable started that way, and here comes the hook.
Come with you.
Oh yeah. He said, "Get in there and start up and put it in reverse." I said, "Okay." I sat there and I was spinning. I could just feel it going down. I thought, "Brother, you ain't making it." So he got in the row back and put it in gear and started driving. About 45 minutes he had me yanked out of it. He said, "Man," he said, "we ought to buy." I said, "I told them I needed to make it." I said, "This ain't my first rodeo doing this."
How heavy is it?
It's pretty heavy.
Is it pretty heavy?
Yeah. I've got probably $8,000 worth of equipment on this thing.
Okay.
Is it 8,000 pounds?
No. No, it's just receivers and stuff like that, but probably 300 pounds.
Okay. Is it? Did we land on the tree?
No, we're close.
We are definitely close. Oh, going down. I went up to about my ankle real quick. It looks like you just lost traction on that one side. It'll probably should be an easy pull if it don't drag me down the hill.
Do you have anything more traction?
I do. I could put my cleat on if I had to, but I don't think it'll be that hard of a pull.
Okay. You're pretty flat up there.
If we run into it, then we got another cable we can string down and.
So,
Mercy break off.
Yeah.
not yet though, right?
We'll get some pressure on it here and then we'll go that route.
Let's get the radios and I'll stand down here by him.
I just go to drive.
Drive? Okay. Now. This direction?
Huh?
This direction, or you want him to straighten?
Let's straighten up just a little bit. Perfect.
Right there.
Perfect.
I want you to hover over that brake, and if for any reason you feel any weird stuff, you can hit the brake, or if you hear me holler brake, hit the brake. We shouldn't need it though. Okay, are you ready? Let off. Are you off the brake? Okay. Don't give it any gas. doesn't think it has enough power to power up this driveway here, which I wouldn't doubt. It's pretty steep and it curves right there. This truck is. So it's hard to get traction on a spot like that. We're gonna try it and see. Oh. I think he's done it. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna stay there. I don't know that I want to stand behind it. Alright, good deal. I think he was coming up and he just lost traction, which it's easy to do. I don't really want to walk behind it. I don't trust it a whole lot. Let's see, his tire went off here and ended up down there. And then this is the other tire here. Ended up here. The other tire was over there. And somehow he missed those trees. I don't know how he managed that, but he was very fortunate. So yeah, Jeff made it look easy.
Yeah, we were just talking about mirrors and vans. You would think they would get these guys some of the extended mirror add-ons for these things. That would help them a bunch, because you just can't see backing out these big old vans offer nothing, and you just got normal mirrors and not normal roads. And then overgrown trees. I mean, I get it. I do the same thing. I tend to try to stick away from the branches that are going to beat up my truck, and then you're over here on the dangerous side, and that's not a good thing either. So looks like he's coming off without a hitch to the main road. But yeah, guys, that's what gets people in trouble is just keep in mind, just set your e-brake. I know you think that you're coming down this and you think you need to be in reverse, but don't go reverse. Just put it in neutral, and you're going to coast down plenty good enough. You don't need any assistance. And just set that e-brake. Just a little bit of pressure on those back wheels will do you a world of good, because once you start going down, you hit those brakes, your front wheels are just going to lock up and you're just going to slide, and that's what happened. He slid off the road. But set your e-brake with a good amount of resistance, put it in neutral, and just creep back down, and that way it doesn't pull you down to the bottom. And it helps.
So what, are you going to use reverse?
No. I should be okay. I'm going to leave it in four-wheel drive, at least till I get around this crazy bend here. Lose an antenna.
Sounds bad. Yeah, it's this spot right here where you're really going to crank that front wheel around.
Because it's just a sheer drop off over there. And it's sloped that way.
Yeah, there's, okay.
I see some trash.
Yeah, I was going to say there's a box of stuff over here. And then the pillar.
See if I can get back to normal.
Come back.
Come on back.
You're good on this pillar.
Come on around.
Anyway, guys, we're headed back out. Our illegal parker over there at the they were parked there at Liquor and Wine of the Smokies there on the spur, right off the spur. Wasn't enough parking over there where they told them to park. I don't know if you guys caught that on video or not, but they were there for a seminar. They do those a lot. I'm sure you guys, if you visited the area, you know they're always trying to rope you into getting some 3-hour seminar so you can get, I don't know, $100, or they give you money off of attractions and things like that. So they get a lot of people over there, and the only problem with a lot of people is it takes a lot of parking, and they weren't offering tram service, and they just thought that they could park at the liquor store because there wasn't anywhere else to park. And so that was the situation on that. He called us over for 3 of them. We only got 1. The other 2 were gone by the time we got there. And it happens a lot. You know, if you guys are into this business, you know that's the frustrating part. I mean, I've probably had 10 phone calls in the last 2 weeks for illegal parks, and we've only gotten maybe 2 out of the 10. Most of the time they're going to be gone when you get there, just fighting traffic, and that's part of it. So it's not all hunky-dory. we do a lot of running around, a lot of, unfortunately, wasting diesel, and that's not something you want to do right now, is waste diesel.
There are a lot of wasted trips, and that's just part of it.
But we appreciate you guys again tagging along with us, getting close on the 30,000 mark. You guys are amazing. So we've been talking about another giveaway, and I think what I want to do is the dash cam stuff is popular. I get a lot of questions, a lot of, oh my goodness, we're going to give away tires or rims. That's a big pop.
It is.
That was awful. But I think we're going to do another dash cam giveaway just because they're so popular, and I truly like them. They save your butt, and I think it goes hand in hand with what we're doing. So we're going to get another one of those, and we're going to do another giveaway either at the 30,000 or before. I'm not real sure. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna squeeze that in there. We haven't gotten the giveaway in a while. What's it squeeze?
I have no clue. Ordered that myself.
Kind of odd. Some weird noise. But anyway, guys, like I said, we appreciate you guys tagging along with us. We're going to get that organized and get that put together for you. Some lucky winner get a new dash cam. And but anyway, we're headed back into town. It's Tuesday.
I think
it's Tuesday, and we're excited. We finally got an appointment for the old Dodge high pressure fuel pump, so it's going to go in Thursday. Finally. I don't know.
Fingers crossed that they've actually got the stuff to do it.
Keep telling us there's no parts available and things like that, but they're going to get this in there and get it ready for the weekend. We've been fighting that battle, and we're excited to get that finally taken care of. We've got more exciting news coming your guys' way. So
I know. I thought that's what you were going to talk about, but I
don't know. I've not said anything yet. I'm going to wait. You guys stay tuned. We've got some really exciting news coming. We're really getting amped up about, and it's going to be cool. So if you've got that notification bell, make sure it's turned on, because you don't want to miss out on what's coming new to the channel and for the summer and all the exciting things. Make sure that's on. And, we're going to scoot over back into town and see what other calls we can pick up, and you guys can hopefully tag along with us. We appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. It's a cool little house too, guys. I want to make sure you guys got that in there. Old house at the end of Alpine Drive. Wheel height way out in Cosby. Got an old truck. I mean, it's just a cool little thing to see out here in the countryside. Something you don't see every day. We've got some no trespassing signs. I'm not gonna, but I just wanted to get you guys that footage. That's really cool. That little feller up there mowing down on some kudzu.